Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. Alright, today we are talking about the ambush strategy. Alright, the ambush strategy where we ambush the market and make our market successfully. Alright, it's been a while that I will post on this channel because I was very busy. But today we're gonna post a different video and a different strategy that will make you money if you understand it well. Okay, this I call it the ambush because it is working perfectly well. It work like wonders. All right, now please, if you are new to this channel, I would like you to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell beside to turn on the bell notification, so that once we upload a new video you will first to be notified, and you will be alerted to watch the video and make more money. Okay, and also I would like you to click on the thumbs up, uh like on the video, comment on the video, and also share to your friends. Guys, we want to get this channel to at least 5,000 subscribers before the end of next month. Okay, yes, we can do it. I know we can do it. All right, just share the videos to your friends, loved ones, even your enemies. Yes, let them making money. Let them start making money. And I tell you, if after this strategy you are still losing money in the market, that means there's something that you need to fix in your life. There's something that you need to fix. All right, I tell you, this is working very well. Okay, it is very effective if only you follow the guidance and how it work. You will not lose money. Even if you will lose, you will lose less. And I would like to tell you that there's no setup that is 100% accurate, rather, but then this one here is proven to be at least 98% accurate. All right, that is very good ratings. All right, guys, please remember to subscribe if you are new. Also comment on the video, like the video, and watch to the very end. Watch the video to the very end, because there are things that you will miss if you skip the video. You might miss an important information that might give you wrong impression while trying to use the strategy. So watch it step by step until you finish the video, so that you get every information that's about to be dispatched from this video. All right, let's now get to the business. All right, because people always ask me about the zoom level on the comment section, so I would like to speak about zoom level. I said zoom level. All right, first of all, what do we do? This is HumbleFx signing in. Now the zoom level is this. First of all, you zoom in completely like this. Now from this zoom level, you zoom out 1 and 2. All right, which means we are using this zoom level. You can also use this one or this one, but I prefer to use this one because I will see the the candles very good. All right, so I will use this zoom level for our analysis today. That is zoom level what? Zoom level 2. From the lowest zoom level, you zoom it out twice. Remember? Now, let us get to business. How do we take trade? On the main chart, we'll have an Ichimoku, the blue line, and moving average, the gold line. All right, the black line is our dynamic support and resistance level, which is, I know you know that. Now on the window indicator we'll have the RSI and also the moving average. Simple and easy, very simple and very effective. Now, how does this work? Let us talk about how it works first before we go to the settings. All right, now first of all, what do you look out for the first time? You look out for when the candle move down below the blue and below the gold. So at this point the market has moved down here. Now this what is the second confirmation? You will check for when this uh MA, which is the moving average, is at level of 90 like this. It is touching level 90. So this is your things to look out for, and then you take your trade from here. and you take 10 candles, just 10 candles you are taking, and you are good to go. To play safe, you can take 5 candles to play safe. All right, but if you want, you can take 10 or more candles to play safe. If you know your trend, remember, your trend is your friend. Trend is your friend. So if you know the trend, you can use it as an advantage to stay longer in the market when all setup are met. All right, now this is it. You have seen that these two, the candle has come down and crossed these two lines here, and here also we have it that the market has already come to the level of 90 here. So we now want it to come down. You enter the market and you write it down, 10 candles. Okay, now let us, if you want to wait for the TP, the TP is when the purple line called reaches level of 30. That's your TP. But I recommend you count your candles, 5 candles or 10 candles, to be safe on the safe side. You can just take 5 candles or 10 candles. But if you know your trend, you can wait for it to hit your TP, which is level 30 and level 10. All right, now let us check for other stuffs. But see something here. At this point, we have that the market has crossed both line here. It's crossed both line here. But what is happening here? This market is still at this point. When it's crossed, it is here. It's not up to 90. So when it's come to 90, remember we need to take our charts down backward like this, so that it did not meet up our target. So we don't take such trade. All right, now see our trade here. When you come back, don't take it like this, take it something like this at the middle or at the end like this. Now you see something happening here. The market has crossed both line here, and also is already at 90 here. So we are entering our market right from this point. Okay, and if you enter the market right from that point, you are taking your 10 candles out of it and you are good to go. I think you see that we moved more than 10 candles even from there. Okay, just check this thing. You can use to catch spike and candles. In the next video we will discuss how to use it to catch spike, but because I don't want to make this video very lengthy, let's just discuss how to trade candles on this one. Then the next video, part 2, we're going to be talking about how to catch spike with the setup. Okay, now see something here. It's already crossed somewhere here, and here I was also at level 90. So you enter your trade and you take your 10 candles and you see what happened here. It moved, boom, we got it. Okay, now see something else here also. The all everything crossed over, and here at level of 90, enter your 10 candles and boom, you are good to go. So guys, that is how effective. Let's check crash 1000. This one is the reverse because it is going to be going downward movement. See that all the coins has crossed over the level, these two lines above, and here we have it below on the level of 10. So we enter for 10 candles and we exit our market. Okay, also here you see what's happened here. It's crossed over at this point, and here it is at the level of 10. We enter for our 10 candles and we take our profit. Okay, please, if you are using this setup to trade, you don't need to be greedy. You don't need to be greedy. Now see something here. Here we want the market to go. The market came, crossed the two line here, and when it actually entered the level of 90 is somewhere here. We enter for 10 candles, but we could not take 10 candles. Then a spike happened on us. But we should, why should we hold? Because the stuff is still below. If this thing has already gone up above, then we should close our trading loss. But because this thing is already below, is still on the lower side, we are going to hold our market. We are going to hold the trade, and look at, we hold it and we take our profits. Okay, before it now went up. That is when, if a spike catch you while you trade, and the MA is still below that level 30, okay, you can actually hold until the MA come out from that oversold level upward. Then you know that you are no longer safe to be in the market. Okay, so you should be careful about that. All right, and that is about that. Look at that. Let us check something else. Check crash 500. All right, remember this thing works very better, very better on, or it work very better on one 1000 index, 1000 index. Okay, you can see these things here. It has already come to touch the level of 10, but because I will not enter the market right now, because it has not met this main chart requirements. Until the candle crosses the blue and the gold line, I'm not going to enter the market. Okay, now look at what's happened here. On here, it has crossed here and the thing is already here. So you enter for your candles, 10 candles, or for, let me now talk about it. For your 500 index, you can decide to take 5 candles, because they tend to spike quicker than the 1000 index. Okay, as crash 500 and boom 500, you can decide to take lesser candles because they tend to spike faster than crash 1000 and boom 1000. Very simple and easy. You see your entry here, you could see your entry at this point, and you take your candles and you get away. Okay, that is the stuff works really good. It works really good. Now what do I use that thick black line to do in the main chart? That is what I use to detect the trend. Anyway, I don't actually know about the trend if I'm scalping. Okay, but if you want to stay longer, you can check the trend on the high time frame. Maybe you use 5 minute time frame. If you are scalping, you can use 5 minutes time frame to check your trend. And at the point you see it moving, you see the black line straight like this, you know that it is actually ranging. It's not trending. It is just ranging, because it is moving straight at the line. You know that it is ranging, not trending. So you should be careful in your trades at that point. Okay, very careful. Now when the market actually crossed upward here, we see it is an uptrend, and it is moving very uptrend at that point. You can also increase your time frame to 1 hour to know the trend of the market, and here we see that it's trending downward. The market has already crossed it downward. It is going to be going downward, but even at that, we are still scalping. But it only helps you to be conscious, not to stay longer, because you know it's a downtrend, so you don't want to stay very longer in the trade. Okay, that is why we know the trend of the market, to know if we are to stay longer when we enter, or just stay for short time. So now at this crash 500, if I should enter the market, I'm going to stay just a short period of time, and I will not stay long in the market to avoid spike catching me. All right, that is how effective that can be. Now let us rush to the settings and know how to set it up. Okay, first of all, let's click on the F button. If you are new, click on the F button right here. Click on the F button and you'll see the settings here. It's just very simple setup and works like magic. The first one, we have the Ichimoku. Click on the F button here to get the Ichimoku, and the Ichimoku is here. We have the Tinkun Sen is 9, the Kenjun Sen is 9, the Senkun Span B is 52. You can fill it if you wish. All right, then the colors here, you will see that the Tinkle Sen, I put it 3 pixel color blue, the Kenjun Sen, I put it 3 pixel color blue, and every other color here is my background color. So if you have if you have black background, you can use your black colors. All right, but I use my white background. That's why I use white in them, so that they don't show. I don't need them to show. Okay, now the next one there will have the moving average. That is the gold line, the gold color that you see there. The period is 20, shift is 0. Simple is the method applied to close. You can choose any color and pixel of your choice. I choose color gold. I choose 4 pixel. You can choose any color of your choice. All right, now the next stuff in the moving average is our dynamic support and resistance level, which is period 200, shift 0, uh exponential, close, and you choose color of your choice. I choose black because I want it to be outstanding. Okay, you can choose any color of your choice. That is our support and resistance level to check our trend and all that. Okay, now after that, now we'll see, get something like this on the main chart, like this. We'll see something like this on the main chart. Okay, now the next one here, we are now going to check about the second indicator, which is the RSI. To get it, if you are new, click on this F again and check for relative strength index. Relative strength index. And when you open the relative strength index, you have period is 14. Apply to close or style. I choose 3 pixels. You can choose any color of your choice. And the levels, we have different type of levels. We have 90, 10, 30, 70, and 50. Okay, the 90 is actually your sell, the 10 is actually your buy. Okay, the 50 is your TP if you are selling or you are buying. Okay, that is just a simple method. It is, you can use the should we set this, should we set it in that method, which means 90 is your sell, you take profit at 70, you buy at 10, take profit at 30, and 50 is your grand take profit, your TP2. If you are taking profit in any of them, your 50 is your TP2. Okay, you can set it if we wish to set it 90 here. We set it as a sell 10 here as a buy. Okay, 30 here is a crash take profit. 70 here is boom take profit. 50 is TP2 for both of them. So you can choose TP2 for both of them. Then you click on done. Okay, now when you do this, then the next one you're gonna add there is the moving average. This one we have to period is 21, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to close. You could choose any color of your choice. The level here, this is just to make your color sweet and all that. Click on, you choose your level, your color, or the level and the color of your choice. You do done. Okay, you see, you are now something, you are now like this. So at this point I should enter this trade and take my candles. Okay, I should enter this trade and take candles in this market. Look at that. We should enter the market now, because why should we enter the market? Why should we enter? Because the market has crossed both lines already. We are entering late. Already it has crossed since 2 candles already, and already it is already here. So we should enter for 10 candles or 5 candles right away. Okay, that's just it. But I will not enter the market. I don't want us to stay too long in this setup. All right, that is just how simple and effective it is. Okay, let's check book 500 and see how what we are seeing there. This book 500 like this. Okay, sorry, book 1000. All right, if you want to stay for longer period, you can check 1 hour time frame to see what is happening there. You see that 1 hour time frame. At this point we see something here happening here. This is already at this point coming downward, so we should expect this thing to come down. As I draw this arrow, it should come down like this from this point, 1 hour time frame. Okay, that is for long trade. All right, now in the next video we'll discuss about how to catch spike with this ambush strategy, part 2. All right guys, I wish you guys luck. Go on a demo and practice on the demo. Okay, all right, practice on your demo before you go live for about 2 or 3 days to master the strategy. Then you can go live. Okay, they can go live. When you do that, you understand how the setup works and you understand how to use it. Then you now go live. And I wish to see your comments right now. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video, comments, and we are glad. You can join our Telegram channel below this video description. You can join our Telegram group where we meet other great traders. You can contact me if there's anything you want me to do for you on Telegram or on WhatsApp. All details are in the video description below. All right guys, this is HumbleFx signing out. See you guys in the next video. Stay tuned and remain blessed.